Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this video I will show you how you can backup your WordPress website. To do that you will need a plugin, and I am using the all-in-one WP migration plugin. It's a free plugin, but I provide the older version, which allows you to upload or download the backup up to 10 gigabytes, because the latest version has the limit of 500 megabytes. So if your website or blog is more than 500 megabytes, you will need the older version. In the description below, you will find a link where you can download the older version that allows you to download, export or import a backup file up to 10 gigabytes. So let's start. We go to the admin dashboard and we go to install the plugin. So we go to plugins and then add new plugin. Then here you go to upload plugin and then choose file. I go to downloads. I have here the plugin. This is the file, all-in-one WP migration, is the version 6.77, and it says here that it is up to 10 gigabyte upload limit. Okay, I will provide this plugin, as I said, for you. In the description you will find the link. So I click here, and then click install now. The plugin has been installed, and then I click activate plugin. Alright, here you will see that it's asking you to update, because there is a latest version. Don't update it, because if you update it, you will lose the option to upload up to 10 giga. Okay, just keep the old version. Then we have the plugin. Here on the left, you will see this option, all-in-one WP migration, and you go to export, because we want to export a file. Then you click here, export to, and then choose file. You have other options also, but this is the simplest one, to export a backup file. You click file, and now start to prepare the backup. This procedure, it takes around 3 to 4 minutes. It depends your website. This website is around 500 megabytes and it will take around 2-3 minutes. So I will pause the video and I will come back when it is ready to download it. Alright, you see here that the download file has been prepared, and then we just click download and the file will be downloaded to our computer. So I click download and it started here to download the backup file. It will take a few minutes. It says 5 minutes, 6 minutes remaining. So I will pause again the video and I will come back when the file has been downloaded. Before we continue, if you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. Let's continue with the video now. Okay, the download has been completed now, as you can see, and let's go to the downloads to see the file. So here it is the file that has been downloaded. Please note that at the end it will have the extension .wpress. Okay, this you see here. This is the file. This file is not openable. You can't open this file. Just keep it as it is. And this contains your entire website with everything. Blog posts, images, plugins, themes, everything is there. So in case something happens to your website, let's close now this because we downloaded the backup. And if we go here on the backups, click on under the all-in-one WP migration, we go to the backups and we will see the backup we just extracted. Okay, here it is. If you have the pro version of this plugin, it gives you the option to restore it. You go here, there is the option restore. With the free version, unfortunately, that is not an option, but we have the file. You can delete this file now here. And anytime in the future something happens to your website, let's say you did something and you crash it, you break it, you want to bring it back to the previous version, you just come here to the plugin. Now you click import instead of export. You click import and you click import from. You see here it says the file that is the file size is 10 giga. This is what I told you about this old version. Okay, and then you click file. And when you click file, it will start. You will choose the file. This is the file we just exported. So you keep it somewhere safe on your computer. You click the file and the import will start. And when the import will finish, it will ask you to click to proceed and it will override the existing website and it will import the file that is included on the backup file. Okay, this you can do it anytime by having the backup file. This I don't need it now, so I will click stop import, but it's very easy and it's very affordable because it's actually free. Okay, so in the description below you will find this old version of the all-in-one WP migration plugin. You can use it, just keep the old version, don't update it, and you will have up to 10 GB file size upload limit. And when you finish with the import and the export of the backups, make sure to go to the plugins, install plugins, and remove the plugin, because this is an outdated version and you don't want to keep this old version active on your website for security reasons. Okay, it's very easy somebody to hack you when you have older versions that are not updated. So you do your job, you export or import your backup, and then you come here, deactivate, and then you will have to delete it. It's deactivated. Now you click delete and then you click OK, and you always will have the plugin that I will provide you, so you don't have to worry. Anytime you need it again, you install it again, you use it, and then you delete it again. If you find value on this video, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel so you can watch more videos about WordPress and make money online, and also let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions about other topics you want me to cover, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.